Good day and welcome to the CS2 App Inventor online course. In this course you're going to have the opportunity to experience the curriculum from CSinSF Course 2 App Inventor. In this video we'll go over the outcomes for the course, some steps for each lesson, and an overview of the content. This course covers the CSinSF CS2 App Inventor curriculum. There are 5 units currently plus a design project. This course will cover 32 of the lessons and should take 20 to 23 hours to complete. By the end of this course, educators who participate, you'll be familiar with the CS2 course content, activities, and projects, comfortable with using the App Inventor platform for developing apps, able to identify and apply foundational CS concepts. To join this course, go to classroom.google.com. If this is your first time using Classroom, select I'm a teacher, even though you will be participating in this course as a student. Select the plus button in the upper right hand corner, choose join class. The course join code is VVX06CV. It's also on the syllabus. Materials for this course you'll need an Android device, not an iPhone. An Android device, that can be an Android phone, an Android tablet. You'll need an app. It's called the MIT AI2 Companion app. You can find that on the Google Play Store. And you'll need the curriculum site, which is for all of our App Inventor curriculum, tinyurl.com/appinventorsf. Each lesson has a consistent format. You'll notice there's a do now, which is most often in the form of a video, about 1 to 2 minutes, gives you a preview of what's going to happen. There's a slide deck that teachers generally use as the mini lesson for students. We suggest that you review the slide deck to get a sense of the concepts and content of the lesson. There's an activity handout, which can be gives you 3 levels of interaction: mild, medium, spicy. Mild is to build your app off of a tutorial. Medium is to build off of an algorithm and a description with some block hints. And then spicy is just to build off a description. You should definitely test your app, and solutions are available on the App Inventor SF site. Quickly, that's not what we wanted. Okay. Quickly, I'll give you a sense. Here is the App Inventor site, and say lesson 1.1, where you're going to build I Have a Dream. You'll notice that we have a video intro. There's a classroom, a question to be answered on Google Classroom. You're not going to have to do that. A mini lesson, so you can get a sense of what's going to happen in the lesson. The lesson itself, the activity, mild level, which is programming the video; medium, which is using guidance to build a user interface and blocks and algorithm; and then spicy, which is building the app using only the template and description above. There's instructions for how to test your app, solutions if you really need them, and that's generally how each lesson is set up. How to submit work, there's a separate video for this, but very simply, when you're on the App Inventor site, the platform, on the sort of splash page, you'll click the checkbox for the project you want to submit. Under the projects menu, you'll select export selected projects. It's a file type called .aia. And on Google Classroom, for whichever assignment it is, you'll click open, and then within that space you'll click add file. You'll select the AIA from your downloads folder, upload, and turn in. There's a separate video for this. Just a quick curriculum overview of what you'll see in this course. You'll be doing Unit 0, 2 lessons, 02 and 03. You'll complete 2 apps and submit those. Unit 1, it's a soundboard media app. You will complete the first lesson, which is our basic soundboard lesson, and then you will do the creative soundboard. Unit 2, there's 3 different apps. There's a PaintPod app, which uses interactive canvas to do painting, a countdown app where you'll be introduced to variables, and a web viewer, which is a useful component within App Inventor. Unit 3 focuses on games and animation, so you'll do 2 games, Mushroom Chase and Android Mash, so 6 lessons. And lastly, Unit 4, which focuses on the concept of lists. You'll do 3 apps, Magic 8 Ball, Slideshow, and the President's Quiz. Lastly, we want you to review our design projects, so take a look at completed design projects students have done, our design guidebook, and the design lessons we have, and there's some questions to answer in Google Classroom. There is an exit survey. You need to complete that for full credit of the course. There's additional resources if you're really into App Inventor and want to go further. We do have a template Google Classroom for teachers to use in their own classes. And there's some interesting extensions. So MIT runs an App Inventor course through edX, which is kind of a more high-level look at App Inventor. There's a lot of resources at both appinventor.org, appinventor.mit.edu, and the Royal Society of Edinburgh has a great App Inventor curriculum. My name is Andrew Rothman. If you'd like to be in contact, you can email me, rothmana@sfusd.edu. Take care and good luck.